Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and compare airlines on Skyscanner? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer. And now simply go ahead and search for Skyscanner just like that. And simply go ahead and click on the first link right over here. And now what you want to do is make sure that you are logged in into your account. And now just simply go ahead and select where you're headed to first. And go ahead and select your depart and how many people are headed there. So as you can see, this is the page you're going to be taken to. Now, in order for you to go ahead and just go ahead and compare airlines, you can just check or uncheck the airlines from here. As you can see, if there are certain airlines that you don't want to go ahead and have, you can simply go ahead and click or uncheck these boxes. But as you can see, Air India is giving me prices from this much, Batik Air is giving me prices from this much, Cathay Pacific is giving me from this much, China Southern is giving me from this much. You can simply just go ahead and look through it as well if you want to, just from here. But the easiest way is to just look here. As you can see, it just says the name of the airlines and the prices it's starting from. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.